Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to share a snap on Snapchat. It is so easy and so quick. First of all, you need to make sure that you're on the right side, and as you can see here, I'm on the photo side on my Snapchat account, and as you can see I can go on my left wing and tap for gallery and for example take a look for some picture. For example, we'll need to choose this one. Then as I want to share this snap, I need to go on the right button for sharing, and now as you can see here I have options where I want to share this snap. For example, I will go and share it to me, go send, and now guys, with that you are sharing this snap on Snapchat. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.